This is Gabby. She lost her calf. We had to take her to the vet. The problem was the calf was a little too big and her pelvis area was a little too small. So she lost the calf, had to take a C-section, and Dr. George did an excellent job stitching her up and helping her with that. Good job with Greenhaven. So we had to get some colostrum off of her, so we like freezing that, and Z's drawing some milk off, and what we'll do is we'll freeze that for another time for if another calf has problems or loses a cow or something like that. It's a good boost, and that's what it looks like when we put it into the freezer. Next up we have is Dolly had a bull calf, and this is just minutes old. He's having a little trouble getting to the udder, but he does, and he turns out to be a nice calf. This is later in the day, and he's sitting in the sun while she has some hay. These are some older calves at the creep feeder. Quite the characters. It's a nice heifer calf there in the middle. She's pretty tame. Then we're taking the duals off the Ford tractor after we disc. We're going to get it ready to put the baler on to bale hay. So we get the baler on, and then we get out there and get up the hay before it rains, and turned out to be really nice weather and able to get all the hay up.